Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create faceless horror videos using AI. So if you want to make spine-chilling horror videos without showing your face, let's make AI do the work for you. So first, you can use ChatGPT or any AI writing tool to create your horror script. You can ask the prompt like this: write a 1-minute creepy horror story in English. You can click on enter or generate. You can also make it localized for better audience connections. Okay, so I've already have the script, this one in here. Let's copy this. Now you can get the horror visual with AI video or you need to create the AI voiceover first. You can open or use any website like 11 Labs like this or Speechify. So you can paste the script before and then choose the eerie voiceover. In here, go with English, and then you can choose let's play it first. Okay, so here is the preview. Out of my bedroom door. Okay, if you like with the result, you can download it, and now you can make the horror visuals by using AI video or image generators. In here, I'm using Dreamina or CapCut AI. So you can use the prompt, for example, like this: dark abandoned house, foggy forest, candlelit room, and you can adjust the duration for the durations that you like. So I've already actually generated, and this is the result. Okay, you can after you get the videos and also the voiceover, you can edit it using CapCut or VN video editor and add slow zooms and glitch transition in editing apps. So you can edit your clips together, add your AI voiceover, and add layer in creepy background music and sudden sound effects for jump scares. And there you have it, a faceless horror story video made completely with AI tools. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.